Hello, this is Yopi. Today I'd like to tell you about Tokyo Disneyland, how to create an amazing day. I'm Japanese, going to Disney Resort every month, so I really know a lot about how to enjoy it. Hopefully this video will be a great help if you come to Tokyo Disney Resort for the first time. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. So let's get started. What is this video for? I think there are many ways to enjoy Tokyo Disneyland. I want you to know how to enjoy even you are coming for the first time. I want to tell you the tips of which you may not know. First, I entered into the park at 10 AM. It was August 6th, pretty hot that day, and try to give you the detail what I really did. Since it was very hot at the moment, it's better to be arrived at after 10 AM. I got a priority pass of Space Mountain, which can use from 1250 to 1350 for the first time. Priority pass was I made a video for that. Please check it. It was 10:05. Here is at the World Bazaar. I went into the shops buy some merchandise. Here it is. You can buy some dolls, but actually Mickey and Minnie was sold out. And now you can buy the leisure seat, which you can use at the parade. If you try to see the parade, you can use it. I bought it already. And there are many hats you can wear. Very cute, isn't it? At 10:30, I chose Star Tours with 15 minutes wait. Some accidents occurred, unfortunately, to the machine. I was supposed to go home. It took more than 10 minutes for changing it. Yeah, actually it was fun. A second, Stitch Encounter. I love this attraction. The entire family will enjoy chatting with a funny Stitch in this attraction, full of humor and surprises. Actually, it's in Japanese, but I think you can enjoy it. After that, I went to a Polynesian restaurant. The reason why I came here was I got a ticket for the show restaurant. It was 40 minutes before it starts, since I had already reserved a restaurant from Disney Resort website. Actually, this show restaurant was very popular at the moment, so it's kinda always full. So try to reserve it. At 11:25, third, I went to the Enchanted Tiki Room. You can see Stitch here again, and so lovely he is. And then I went to the Polynesian Trust restaurant to have fun with the show and food. This show restaurant was reopened from this July, and now it's very popular, and actually it was for the first time for me to get in there. In the show restaurant, you can see the show, and after that you will have a lunch, and the characters will come to you and do a high five and communicate a bit. It's very fun.
会いたかったよ。ミニちゃん、かわいい。かわいいよ。イエーイ。や。
Can you see? It was a very happy moment for me. Actually, it was amazing, and the lunch was very tasty. And I ate lokomoko. I think it's a Hawaiian food, and it's a rice with a hamburger and fried eggs and some salad. It's quite a big volume, but very tasty, and I ate it a lot. And for dessert, I ate the donuts, some cream on it. It was so sweet. And after eating lunch, and there's another show again, you can see that they will dance Hawaiian dance and Tahitian dance and some dances from many countries. She was dancing very well. So amazing. if you come to Tokyo Disneyland, hopefully you will enjoy this show restaurant. Please go to the website and check it if it's available. After the lunch, I went to the World Bazaar and I bumped into him. But before going to that, let's see it. Mickey, いつの間にあっちに移動したの？ハワイから。ミッキー。Mickey, he's so lovely, isn't he? He was so cute. It was quite lucky for me to bump into him. Actually, now, he often came to the refreshment corner. It was the second floor of the refreshment corner, and he was, posing in many ways, and you can have nice pictures and films. Hopefully, you will see him at there. I was there at 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. I went on a Space Mountain with a priority pass. Waiting time shortened from 35 minutes to 15 minutes. The priority pass is quite useful. It's free and it can shorten the waiting time. Number 5, the Happy Ride with Baymax. 35 minutes wait. It was too short to go on. This attraction is the second most popular attraction in Disneyland, but that day was very easy to get there. Very easy to get there. 来た。そっか。あ、違いました。And then I went to the Baymax Mission Cool Down. It's only until August.
Energy エナジーレベルを上げるために有効な物質は豊富な量の水素と酸素の化合物、つまり大量の水です。さあ、びしょ濡れになって暑さを吹き飛ばしましょう。
やばいやばいやばい。
I got wet horribly, but it was very fun. It's really cool. Please try to have fun with this attraction. After getting wet, I went to the restaurant called the Plaza Pavilion restaurant to take a rest. And I had a shave ice with strawberry milk sauce, 700 yen. It was so sweet. Japanese ice is wonderful. Do you see it? Number 6, Country Bear Theater. Feels so relaxed with country music. Actually, this attraction is quite old, but very relaxed. And I waited just 5 minutes. With a great music, I could enjoy it. It's very good for families. And then another great important point. You should watch the parade called Disney Harmony in Color in the first row. This is a 40th anniversary special parade. I got the first row after the raining. It was 30 minutes before the show starts. You need to wait more than 30 minutes to get the first row to get a great position. I was drinking a craft beer and cocktail smoothie, which I bought at Torbador Tavern. There's the only place you can buy craft beer at Trovador Taban in Disneyland. So impressed with the astonishing performance, so please check it. It was so nice, right? But please do not just watch this, and please go to watch the real parade. You may impressed very much. Heading for the Beauty and the Beast after 5 p.m. After 5 p.m., the congestion would be much less. I went to the Beauty and the Beast, only 45 minutes wait. Usually it's 120 minutes to wait. Every time I came here, I feel so excited to go into the gate. This attraction is quite impressive. Please get there. Number 8, Splash Mountain. 45 minutes wait, I got wet too much. I think this attraction is disappeared in the US, but now in Japan, you can enjoy same as usual. I love it. After the attraction, you can get the picture of it. And my wife was just wearing bath towel, and she did not get wet. But actually, I got totally wet, and it was feeling so nice. Number 9, Big Thunder Mountain. I waited for just 2 minutes with a priority pass. It's very nice. I could get 2 priority pass at a day, and it's quite nice to make the waiting time shorten. It's been quite a nice day. To give you a summary, the point was, please enjoy the show restaurant. You can have a communication with the characters. Mickey Minnie, love you. And after that, another Mickey show up at a refreshment corner. He's wearing very classic suit, looks great. After that, Harmony in color. This parade is so amazing. It's only 40th anniversary version. Please check it. The attraction waiting time was less than I always go there. Especially Beauty and the Beast, just waited 45 minutes. It was so nice. Please choose today. The attraction is not so crowded. About merchandise, I bought a Mickey Memory Go Round version. This Mickey is classic Mickey. He's wearing clothes which is 1983 when the Tokyo Disneyland opened. On the right side, it's a 40th anniversary Mickey, and the left side, 40 years ago's Mickey. It's lovely and cute, right? And I got pants with waffle, Mickey shapes waffle. Last one, this is a pet bottle cover. The pet bottles get wet. You can cover this and drink it, and it's very good. That's all for today's video. So how was it? Did you understand how to enjoy it? Maybe you may not know some things which I experienced, but this show restaurant, please check it. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful time at Disneyland in Japan. Book the table before going there and you may have a great time. Please subscribe my channel and follow my Instagram. And if you have any questions about Disneyland or Japanese traveling information, please follow my Instagram and text me. I will give you back maybe if I'm not busy. Try to give you the best way to enjoy Japan, and hopefully you will have an unforgettable moment in Japan. So that's it. Let's see in another video. See you next time. Bye bye.